Hey everyone, do you carry a flashlight for self-defense? Well, today on The Modern Defender, I'm going to explain to you why you should and how a flashlight can be the perfect self-defense tool. Stick around. High output flashlight will blind.
Holy shit.
Flashlight technology has changed significantly over the past decade. Those giant 6D cell battery flashlights, those mag lights that we used to keep in the back of our cars, those things are obsolete now. Now there are flashlights like this 2100 lumen Next Torch TA30 flashlight that, you just throw it right in your back pocket, and they are extremely powerful. You can get it up quickly with that tack switch on the back. Now a flashlight like this can incapacitate somebody in two different ways. One is the bright flash of light. Like any bright flashlight, it can be completely blinding and disorienting. But with flashlights that have a strobe function, where it's going to be a rapid flash of light, can cause psychophysical effects like nausea, dizziness, disorientation. Now those effects will only last a few minutes. But either way, you'll have a chance to issue commands like stay back, I don't know you, don't come any closer, somebody call 911. Or you have other options, deploying other self-defense tools like your hands, your feet, pepper spray, etc. Either way, a flashlight used properly will give you the opportunity to vacate the area, in most cases, without having to resort to other uses of force. That's what a high lumen tactical flashlight offers you. It offers you the ability to stop most violent encounters before they even start. So one of the things that you're going to want to take into consideration if you are carrying a flashlight for self-defense is you want to have it on your non-dominant side. And the reason for that is because you want to have it in a position where I can light up a potential threat, but have my dominant hand to access other tools if necessary. Not only that, I can strike with my dominant side, I can parry away. But what are some of these other tools that I'm talking about? Well, if you follow my channel, you guys know I'm a huge fan of defensive pepper spray. And one of the best 1-2 punch combinations that you could possibly have is a tactical flashlight and the use of pepper spray. They won't even see that you have pepper spray in your hand. You bring the flashlight up, you got the pepper spray on them. Okay, what other tools do you have on you? Do you have a firearm? Do you have an expandable baton? Do you have something in your hand that you just don't want to let go of? Your car keys? Do you need to access your car, get in your car quickly? These are all things that might need to have happen in a defensive encounter. But that flashlight gives you the ability to instantly blind your attacker. They're not going to be able to see. So using light as a weapon is nothing new. Back in the 80s, the US military developed something called the Dazzler, which later became mounted to M4 rifles in the Iraqi war in 2006. They basically used it to stop vehicles that were approaching checkpoints who refused to stop. So they just lit them up with an incredibly powerful light, which literally blinded the drivers, and they had no choice to stop. And of course, I'm sure if they didn't stop, they resorted to another method of stopping them. Just flashing somebody in the face isn't really the only tactic that you're going to want to use if you have a flashlight. There's a whole bunch of different ways that we can use this flashlight defensively in the event of a violent encounter, or to actually stop one before it happens. We're going to step outside and we're going to take a look at how bright this is and how we can use it in low light situations as an incredibly useful defensive tool. Stick around. So in low light situations, a high output flashlight will blind.
Holy shit. That's
It's pretty blinding, all right?
oh my god, bro.
All right, so
That's insane.
So low light situations, you're going to take a guy that looks like an axe murderer, okay? And you're literally going to blind him. How is your vision right now?
It's not good.
It's not good.
Seeing
All right,
dots.
seeing lots of dots. And that's the whole idea. We want to take away their ability to see so we can either vacate the area or assess the situation and take further follow-up actions. So one other good tactic to use is not shining the flashlight directly on them at first. You can shine it right on their feet, and you can get a good visual of what they're doing. Is it a threat? Is it not a threat? And if it is a threat, then we can bring the flashlight up on the eyes. If not, I'm sorry, I just wanted to see what was going on. Plus, you can be really, really creepy. Yes. So there are 1,000 reasons why you may need to look inside of a car at some point at nighttime using your flashlight. And if you do that, you do not want to go directly into the window because it's going to reflect back in your face. So what you want to do is you want to go off center, illuminate what is in the vehicle, and not have to worry about the reflection of that light blinding you back in your face. It will also give you the ability to light up a target that's further away. Before you get to your car, you're in a dark parking lot. I use this all the time. I can't see, so why not take my flashlight out, illuminate the area, and see what's going on. And I highly recommend that you start to carry a high output tactical flashlight as part of your everyday carry. Hey, thanks for watching this episode of The Modern Defender. Please hit me up in the comments, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Stay safe out there.